everyone, and welcome back to Liz Sews. Today's video is the next installment in my Disney in the Bedroom series where I make lingerie inspired by Disney characters of my youth. This month we'll be focusing on Ariel from The Little Mermaid, and today I wanted to get started on the cups of the bra. For the shell portion, I wanted to use the exquisite pattern from AFI Atelier, since it already features that fan shape that I wanted in the cups. In order to alter the pattern for the scalloped upper edge, I decided to quickly sew a mock-up of the cup out of sheer cup lining, and then cut away the top until I got the shape that I was happy with. Then it was a matter of pulling the pieces apart and transferring the design back onto my pattern pieces. Since I planned on sewing the outer cup to the lining to finish the scalloped edge, I needed to add 1/4 inch seam allowance along the top edge of my scallops. With my shell pattern now prepared, it was time to cut it out of my royal purple stretch satin and sheer cup lining. I worked one cup at a time so that I wouldn't get my pieces confused, stitching up the exterior cup and lining separately. Next, I laid the lining on top of the exterior fabric with right sides together. I stitched along the upper edge at 1/4 inch, pivoting at the bottom of each scallop. Next, I needed to clip around the curve so that the top would lay smoothly once it was turned to the right side out. Next, I prepared a second pattern for my cut and sew foam with the interior and scalloped edge of the seam allowances removed. I cut this out of navy foam since it won't really be seen by the finished bra once it's complete. I placed the foam inside of my cut pieces, working it into the scallops and securing it along the edges with pins. To finish the shell and keep all the layers in place, I top stitched around each piece and along the upper edge. I like how this reinforces the shell shape even further. Next, I turned my eye onto the sheer interior cup. I used a slightly modified Black Beauty cup for this portion of the bra. I cut it out of 2 layers of bra tulle with the stretch going in opposing directions. Once all 4 pieces of the cup were pinned together, a single line of stitching at 1/4 inch completes the cup construction. I finished the neckline edge of the cup with a coordinating fold-over elastic dyed in royal purple as well. The last step in the cup was to combine the sheer interior with a foam shell along the wire line. This completes the construction of the cups. Come back next week as I finish up the Ariel bra and tackle my Ariel bottoms. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my new bra making content. I'll see everyone next time. Take care.